everybody. Welcome to Thursday and Friday. It is our second to last week of school. I've got myself a corona beard kind of growing. It's just out of laziness. I'm not really trying. How to greet someone properly during the coronavirus outbreak. I like this. Live long and prosper. Hey, watch this. This is going to be cool. Let's see if you can do this. It's hard. I had to train myself. It only took 10 weeks of every day doing nothing but that. Let's get started. Thursday is National Decency Day, National Dance Like a Chicken Day, National Underground America Day, and National Buttermilk Biscuit Day. I'm not quite sure what Underground America Day is, but buttermilk biscuits are good. National Peace Officers Memorial Day, National Chocolate Chip Day, National Nylon Stocking Day, National Endangered Species Day, National Defense Transportation Day, National Pizza Party Day. Ooh, I'm going to have pizza on Friday. And National Bike to Work Day, and it's NASCAR Day. I think the NASCAR races are going to start up sometime soon. They have a plan. Continuing on, our puzzle last time, can you figure it out? The answer was F. If you look at it, the first and the fourth one were exactly the same, so the pattern was just repeating over again. So congrats to Tori, Catherine, and Grady for getting that one correct. Our next puzzle, if you roll the dice this way, and then that way, and then this way, what side will face up? And you have to do it without actually holding a dice. Like, you got to figure it out yourself. There's a trick to the dice. Oh, I wonder if you know what the trick is. Come and see me on Schoology conferences. I got to see Catherine and Kennedy and Tori and Camden. It was great. It was fabulous. Seeing, let's see, I saw Tori's hamsters, and Camden and I talked about North Carolina, and Catherine talked about how wonderful her brother was and how it's nice to have a twin during quarantine. And Kennedy, showed me the black backsplash, which was cool while she was working on some drama assignments. So hop on in, say hi. For our assignments. Today we have, first of all, the daily video as always. Then there's a survey. I don't know if you took it yesterday, but I want you to answer it, especially if you want your science notebook returned with your school stuff. I just figured if you're just going to throw out your science notebook, I'm not going to spend all the time of sorting them out and doing that. So if you want your science notebook back, got to fill out that survey. Tell me whether you want it or not. And then complete the Quiz 10 study guide on Google Classroom. Here's what the assignment looks like when we get in here. First, please put your class up there, and then there's a couple of definitions. Just give a student-friendly definition. I can copy from Google too. So I'm not looking like... doesn't do you any good when you're taking a quiz. What is missing from this diagram? Kind of summarize what photosynthesis is. Answer the question about aquatic plants, and then there's a little CER. There will not be a CER on your quiz, but at least I don't think. Let me relook at that again before I finally, through the magic of the internet, I just checked, and there is not a CER. But this quiz is actually a lot more like, kind of like there's a multiple choice and other things like that. It's more like a test than like the quizzes we've been taking where it's kind of just matching and stuff. So that's why we have a little bit different study guide today instead of the red, yellow, green. And then after we take our quiz, you're pretty much done with science. Isn't that nice? Got to see the seniors had their last day. For all those of you who have brothers and sisters and cousins and friends that are seniors, they had their last day. I was outside honking my horn. I went up to the girl I had 6 years ago in 6th grade, Emily's house, and I was just honking my horn out there at 10:30, and she like came out and she's like, "Huh?" I'm like, "I'm honking my horn for you." So if you participated in that, that was a great little fun thing to do. So if you have any questions, email me. Come see me on Schoology conferences between 9 and 11 and 1 and 2:30. And yeah, good luck.